What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati once again with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a basic ABC medium skin fade 1.5 against the grain. As you already know my style, a large portion of the haircut has already been recorded. I just want to share my all detachable blade techniques with you guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? It's early in the morning. This is very much my first haircut of the day. I'm excited. You excited? Let's go! Alright, let's adjust the camera now. Alright, I'm going to take a minute to adjust, and then I'm just going to do my thing. Boom. Okay, let's get started. All right, as you already know, I did the lining. 1.5 already been against the grain, already took place. The whole other side already been taken care of. I left this area right here to blend. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, let's get to it. I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA as usual. OA blade. This video is going to be quick, fast, and effective. Shout out to Glenn the Barber, Miguel Torres, Miss Virginia from out of Texas. What's up? Angelic Cuts, I see you. Alright, that was the OA. Then the 000. Get in there. Triple 0 at an angle. Into the OA. Boom. 5-0. Boom. All right. Since we already have a 1.5 up here, 1A at an angle into the 1.5 should get the job done. So I'm going to use my 1A to start blending into the 1.5. All right, let's go. Get in there. As you can see, I keep my 1A at an angle to make sure it merges with the 1.5 above. Boom. Alright, I'm moving on to my 1 at an angle below my 1A. Get in there. By the way, one of you guys asked me to do, well, not one of you guys, several people asked me to do an adjustable blade clipper haircut. It is not going to happen. This is an only, all exclusive, all detachable blade haircuts channel. If you like adjustable blades, haircuts, there's nothing wrong with that, but not on this channel. Barber Illuminati. Alright, this is my OA, once again, into the 1. Get in there. Then the 000 below the OA. One more time. At this time, you got to be very disciplined with your hand, not to get too excited. All right, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1A one more time. We're almost done here. All right. This is my 1A into the 1.5 at an angle. Get in there. Then the 1 coming up. As soon as I find it, there we go. Now I got the 1 back on into the 1A at an angle. Get in there. We're looking good. Yes, I still get the 1 on. Boom. All right. Then the 08 into the 1. Nice and soft this time. I don't want to get too excited here. Boom. Wow. We are looking awesome. Wow. All right. I'm going to do a small repeat right in the transition right about here. I feel like I need to get in there with the 1 a little bit better. Then we're going to wrap this up. All right, this is the 1 blade below the 1A. Oh yeah. Then a little bit of the OA. What it takes to perfect the skills is to repeat. As you need be very attentive to your blind, and as you need to repeat. That's it. That's very much the secret to all detachable blade haircuts. That's it, really. Feel free to repeat the steps as you see fit. When you're doing an adjustable blade clipper haircut, as you see fit, you adjust your lever to adjust. So is with the detachable blade haircut. All you have to do is swap out the blades. As you see fit, that's it. Right now I have lastly, I have the 000 on to do a slight cleanup, and the fade is done. That's it. It's that simple. All right. Wow, that was fast. All right, I'm gonna do a quick. I'm gonna touch up the hairline with the razor. It's not that much necessary, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And then we're gonna wrap this up. All right. I already prepped my razor. This is a quick touch up. All right, make sure my camera is on point. Boom. All right. I'm just gonna touch up the hairline with the razor quickly. Nothing fancy. I keep everything basic. Yeah, because it's very simple. Nothing fancy. I know what all this fussing is all about. This thing is basic ABC stuff. That's what I call it. All right, I'm gonna touch up the other side as well. Quickly. Nothing fancy. I try my best to keep the whole concept as basic as possible, as ABC as possible. All right, I'm gonna adjust the camera just a tad bit to make sure we stay centered here. All right, we're almost there. Boom, here we go. Yep, this is the entire work. I'm gonna drop the chair a bit so you guys can see. And then we're gonna wrap this up. I love saying that. If I'm not careful, this video is gonna be under 10 minutes. Wow, that would be a record, I guess. All right, this is the front hairline. I'm touching it up with the razor. Please. I'm using the Barber heavy duty razor. I got it from Amazon. It's my favorite razor. If you like a copy, it's Barber heavy duty razor. All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, this is a Barber Illuminati production. So ABC basic all detachable blade haircut tutorial, 1.5 against the grain. Let me touch up the lining a little bit better. Nothing fancy. All right. I'm gonna do a quick spin here, and then we're gonna get out of here. I think we're gonna go out for breakfast. Yeah. Yep, that's my first video of the day. It's Thursday, October 10th, 2019. We're at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School, and it's all good. All right, I'm gonna do a quick spin, then we're gonna get out of here, have breakfast. I think Brother John here is gonna buy breakfast. We're going to the IHOP something. All right, let's do a quick spin for you guys to see the entire work, and then we're gonna go grab something to eat. I'm always talking about food in this channel. I'm always talking about food. All right, here we go. This is the entire work. This is it. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this. I think this thing deserves another spin. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. Wow. All right. All right, YouTube. This is a cut. Let me bring the camera over here this time. Yep, this was the Barber Illuminati production. If you watched the video all the way this far, I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for committing yourself to be a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Barber Illuminati. We out.